Okay, our component for today is about this guy, auxiliary switch by Schneider Electric, model EZAUX10. It has 3 wires, the center, that is the common, number 11, number 12 is normally closed, which all goes to the off position. This one, number 14, goes to the on position. It is normally open. Set if the circuit breaker is off position. This is the diagram. What's this for? It's for this one, circuit breaker, which I covered this last of my video. It is a Schneider EZC 100H. I already removed, that's 2 screw. 2 screw are came from this one, and this one. You just remove it and voila, it's open. This one can fit anywhere. It's the same. This guy, this is where if the circuit breaker is on off position, this like this. But if it's on position, this one goes there. And this one pushes, oh no, this guy, this part, and this one is the same, that pushes this one. So let's put it on. There's a hook, just lock it like that. Let's check that. Hook, lock it like that, then push. See, it fits. Try on the other side. Hook, lock it like that, then push. Fits anywhere. And then this part of the globe is used for this guy. See, if the circuit breaker are too close to each other, this one is where it goes. And if you close it off first, close it, see, it doesn't affect. But sometimes if you really need to put it on the top like that, you can do that, but you need to remove this gap, also this one. You just remove it like that, fill it in. But for now, we're just going to use this one. Okay, and how we do it, we're going to use an auxiliary lights. This one is in off position, this one is in on position. Number 12 is going to the normally closed. This is off position. You put it here like that. Then number 14 goes to the other side, on position. This is normally open. Do it like that. And there's a center. This will go to the circuit breaker. I think we need to do it like this. Okay. Where's the circuit breaker? This is my circuit breaker. It has a 2 ampere and it's still off. This one will go to here. Number 11 is the supply. Okay. Number 11. Oops. Let's do it like that so that you can see the wirings. Just make it smaller. See, there you are. And the white is going to the other side. This is a 230 system, single phase. You can do this in 3-phase, but you just need to use 2 lines for 230 volts. For 380, you need to use neutral for this one on the center. Neutral. Do not use line to line on 380 because this guy, these 2 guys, and that one will kaboom. Anyway, this has capacity of 250 volts. You can use alternating current and direct current. AC or DC for the battery, DC. Okay, so we just wired. I think we need to do it like that. See, next time I'm going to make it more larger. See, let's check it out. Okay, you don't need to power this up. Okay, we can close this guy or just open it like that so that you can see. Turn it on. That's right, light up, meaning this is an off position. If you turn it on, it will go to the other side, meaning it is on. So you can put some tagging in front of the panel, meaning off, on, off, on. See, no need to put any, what do you call this, power on the circuit breaker. See, if you want to see the inside while it's on, yeah, I think it's okay. Just remove it like that and make sure this has power. So just be careful. This one, this guy, see, push it, push it, push it, push it. See, that's what the circuit breaker does to the auxiliary switch. Just pushing the bottom switch. See, okay, let's try tripping it. This is the tripping. Turn it on, trip. See, again, turn it on, trip. Good.